I go to the bank and say, I need a loan to start an NFT project. The banker laughs at me and says, haha, son, do you have any collateral? Of course I do. A whole damn NFT portfolio. He laughs even harder and says, since you don't have any form of legitimate collateral or even a credit score, we cannot issue you your loan. How do we navigate in this decentralized world? This is a story of how to get loans using your digital assets as collateral, how to build your decentralized credit score, last but not least, a peer-to-peer escrow service so you can trade among each other and cut out the centralized authority. I'm Lazy, and this is Betterment. In real life, if you own a home, you can take a mortgage out on it to further your business or do whatever you want to do with the money. What makes digital assets any different? Let's start out with tokenizing your physical assets. Let's say you own a deed to the house. You tokenize it into an NFT. Now you can take a mortgage out on that NFT to secure the funding that you need. Speaking of digital assets, we have land on Decentraland, land on Sandbox, things that people would actually pay very good money to own. It would only make sense to be able to take out mortgage on your digital land, your digital assets. So the story starts off with pixels. Borrow against your NFTs. If you put your NFT up for collateral, how are you actually going to receive the loan? People can make offers on your NFT to lend you the funding that you need. The platform plans to integrate with metaverse projects, meaning that you can put your metaverse NFT up for collateral and get an instant loan on this. That is very cool because I haven't seen a platform that will give you an instant loan for your NFT yet. But it makes sense. If you are forming integrations with these metaverse projects, then you are way more likely to get instant funding for your metaverse NFT. The next point of interest I like about Pixels is they are planning to start accepting ERC 721 projects like CryptoPunks and Bored Ape Yacht Club. In my head, this is a Solana project, and if they are accepting Ethereum projects, that is taking liquidity from the Ethereum platform and moving it over here to Solana. The more liquidity that Solana has, the higher the price will go, the more set that all of us Solana degens will be. I'm gonna keep an eye on that so I can keep you guys updated. The lender deposits USDC and automatically starts accruing interest. And the user is also able to see their original deposit and the interest that they accrued. The borrowers will put their NFT into escrow. If you default the payment, your NFT will go to whoever lended the money. Upon repayment, you will get your NFT released from escrow and you will have your NFT back. But how do we build a credit score if all of this is anonymous? I've got the answer for that, but you're gonna have to stay tuned. It wouldn't be a legit NFT project if Pixels didn't release their own collection. They are. They're releasing the Pixel Panthers and they are actually pretty fucking clean. The release of this collection is to allow the platform to raise capital to build more value. Value is inherently tied to how much an NFT is going to sell for. This project creating real value that we will actually use. It's been said a million times that people will pay a reasonable amount of money for utility, but they will pay an unreasonable amount of money for desirability. Creating a collection that looks fucking awesome as well as having utility is key, and I am seeing that from this project. Now, in the future, they are working on a staking platform for the Pixel token, their native currency, which is going to fuel the system of lending and borrowing. All of this NFT lending and borrowing is great, but what about building credit to take out future loans without collateralization? This is where OG Italians come in. Everybody in this space loves to have a fucking awesome profile picture, but what value does that really have other than bragging rights and flex style? OG Italians is creating something that you can build a credit score based on the activities associated with your profile picture. Well, what benefits will we gain from increasing our profile picture score? OG Italians has that all laid out. So OG Italians is an excellent hand-drawn artwork NFT collection. This is a project that really cares about their ecosystem and really cares about data science. And I know that may sound nerdy, but data science is basically the key foundation of all things DeFi. What's in a profile picture score? Acts to build your profile picture score. Being nice, returning money, helping those in need, not rugging people. Basically all the things in real life life that would build you a good credit score will also build you a good credit score in the decentralized finance space via the profile picture score. Have you ever applied for a job and got hired and then they do a background check on you? Think about this as a background check in the DeFi space. We are building reputations here, and our reputations are something that can be leveraged. OG Italians are offering rewards every time someone does a paid search of your profile picture score. The other benefit is you're building a credit score which you can get decentralized finance loans based on your profile picture score. This is some next level shit because a lot of people in this space believes that the centralized bank is not out there for the best interest of the people that supply their money to them. Decentralized finance is all about taking out the central authority and governing ourselves to have a better financial life. This is called financial freedom. I would much rather get a loan from my peers than from the bank who are gonna fuck me with a cactus-shaped dildo. If you're getting some value or learning a thing or two about DeFi and the Solana blockchain and all the financial instruments that are put at our disposal, beat the fuck out of that like button and join the Twitter. Betterment is doing a one soul giveaway right now. I love you guys. Building a good profile picture score. Say you're starting a project. People will be able to see your profile picture score and see what kind of businessman you are, even though they don't know your real identity. This is all blockchain technology. Solana is the chain of actual utility, functionality. There's so many things on the Solana blockchain that I see that Ethereum chain is not implementing whatsoever. Solana is going to the fucking moon because of projects like OG Italians. Another keystone factor of DeFi is give back to the investors. So the investors are collectors, the people buying the NFT in the first place. OG Italians implemented this by giving a percentage of their fees to everybody that holds OG Italians. A financial instrument like this that has so many different use case scenarios, I imagine the fees will be pretty high because if people are using this a lot, there's a lot of fees going back to the people. There is also the OG Italians Decentralized Autonomous Organization. This basically means that holders will have a say in the voting and governance of OG Italians behind infrastructure and future decisions. Let's say you check someone's profile picture score and you really like the actions they've taken in the community. Maybe you want to hire them for your project. You don't really know how to do that because crypto is kind of a fucking hard place to make legitimized deals without getting fucked over. There's a project called VaultX and their sole purpose is to make peer-to-peer transactions efficient and safe. Those of us experienced in hiring people in Web 2 on platforms say Fiverr know that there's platforms that we are able to hire someone that we don't know at all and our funds will go in escrow until they complete service that they were hired to do. VaultX has a decentralized application in which peer-to-peer transactions can be made and their funds being held in escrow on the dApp itself. Your trusted partner for decentralized escrow services. You can create a contract in less than a minute by setting milestones in the requirements for your contract. Your funds are held in a unique smart contract until the order is complete on both ends. A trustless ecosystem. Decentralized finance is all based on not having to trust one another. It's all governed by the smart contract. But to top all the safety and security off, there is a resolution protocol. There are juries from resolution protocol, which if there are any disputes that come up during the peer-to-peer transaction. VaultX also released their collection and their fucking robots. They look sick. I like them. I own one. You can stake these robots and earn their native currency, Vault. The other benefit from owning these NFTs are you will get a 10% discount on fee whenever you use the platform. So if you are starting your NFT project and you plan on hiring people that you don't know in real life and you want to use an escrow service, the best way to do this is get a VaultX NFT and hold it so you can benefit from the discounts you're receiving on their fees, because they may be small, but they will add up the more and more people you hire. So this is real life value that you are getting just from holding this NFT and using their product. That's the story and I'm sticking to it. Use your digital assets as collateral to get the funding you need to start your own NFT project. Upon repaying your loans, you will build a profile picture score equitable to a credit score. Using this credit score, you will be able to secure the funding that you need for future ventures. Once you are past using all of these services and you found the people that you want to interact with and hire on a daily basis, you can use the escrow service that VaultX provides to us. Once again, I'm Lazy and this is Betterment. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. If anyone has any questions, concerns, or fucking outraged protests, let me know in the comments. I got you.